Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Dev's Kingdom. In this tutorial, we're going to go over Gemini 2.5-Pro, which was just released. So this is the best model from Google as of today. So it is a thinking model and basically designed to tackle increasingly complex problems. So if you look at the metrics, basically this new Gemini 2.5-Pro model outperformed Cloud 3.5.7 Sonnet, OpenRouter O3 Mini, and Grok-3, which is surprisingly interesting. And also it outperformed DeepSeek R1. And you can see from most of the benchmarks, it performs very, very well. And also you can see humanity last exam, it actually has the highest score. So in this video, we're going to test it from the Google Studio, and also going to test it from the OpenRouter with the IDX. So I'm going to test this using a very complicated prompt to build a very cool game. And so hopefully you can see how good this model is. So, and that being said, let's get started. So let's go to the studiogoogle.com. As you can see here, already built this prompt, and you can see we're actually using the Gemini 2.5-Pro experimental 0325, which is today. So you can see that because it is experimental and the input and output tokens are all free, so you can try it out. And if you use the OpenRouter, so you can see if you use the OpenRouter, it's also free, and the input and output token prices are 0. So it's free to also try it on OpenRouter, but we're gonna test it on the Google Studio first, and then we're gonna switch to the IDX to try out the coding feature with Cline. So hopefully this is helpful. Let's go to the Google Studio again. So you can see that basically what we're trying to do is build a arcade-style video game. So using only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript without importing any external libraries or assets. So you cannot use images or SVGs. So it's pure code on front end, just HTML. And the game concept is a spaceship is traveling through a dense asteroid field. And the player must navigate the spaceship to avoid colliding with asteroids while simultaneously shooting and destroying them. So specific requirements: the visuals challenging due to no images and SVGs. Design a impressive and visually appealing game using only HTML. So the spaceship should have animated propellant being expelled from its rear. So the background should simulate a star field. You can see that it's a very complicated prompt, and when an asteroid is destroyed, it should break into smaller fragments that also need to be avoided or shoot. So gameplay mechanics added complexity, and you can see we basically built a very, very complicated prompt, and we try to test out how good this new model is. And also the bonus challenge is adding a hyperspace ability that allows the spaceship to teleport to a random location, but with a small chance of malfunctioning and placing the ship directly in the path of a asteroid. This should have a limited number of uses or a recharge time. Provide all the code within a single HTML file. So after we questioned the new Gemini 2.5-Pro, so here's the thoughts. It's very complicated, so you can try it out at your free time. So if you want the prompt, please join the Discord channel. I'll put a prompt there, and so the result is amazing. So if you actually copy this generated HTML to the HTML viewer, so basically this is the output. It's insanely good. So I can see that you can actually move around it. You can move around, and you can see actually they actually be able to turn and also be able to shoot. I can see so good. Oh, it's game over. And let's try that again. So it is very well done, unbelievably good. So you can see that's so good, right? And oh, so okay, very good. So let's stop there and let's go back to the OpenRouter. So let's stop the game and let's go back to OpenRouter so that you can see that how good this model is. And if you go back to the OpenRouter, you can search for the Gemini-Pro 2.5 experimental. So it is free, and also you can just copy this model name, so Google Gemini 2.5-Pro experimental 03-25 free. Just copy that and go to the this docs quick start of the OpenRouter. You can get the base URL, which you will need to paste into the Google IDX if you use Cline, for example, and just paste it into this Cline settings. So you basically choose the API provider as OpenAI compatible, the base URL as the one that you see in here, and then the model ID is Google /Gemini 2.5-Pro experimental 03-25 free. So basically, if you try out any prompt, just paste the prompt into this type of message. So then, for example, we tried out this prompt. It is basically create a landing page for a crypto trading company. The landing page should have 5 sections: header, hero, banner, and market real-time trend diagram, product features, and contact us. Make sure that the landing page looks sleek and modern. Please use inline HTML, CSS, create a index.html file for this page. So we have not tested this yet. So let's copy everything that was generated. Let's see how this works. So there's HTML. So you can just go to this service HTML page. Let's paste it in the HTML viewer. So you can see that this is amazing, right? Super good, super sleek and modern, and also it has a real-time market trend, and so basically it is amazingly good. So the JavaScript also works. So I can see that it jumps to the specific section while click on the menus. So this is actually how you test the very good powerful Gemini 2.5-Pro on either Google's Studio, which is aistudio.google.com, and the OpenRouter. So you can try both. It's pretty good. You can also chat it. Just click chat. You should be able to also chat with it on OpenRouter. It's all 100% free. You can test it out at your free time. And so that should be it. And hopefully this is helpful. If you do like this video, and please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Last but not the least, so if you go to the leaderboard, you can see that from the LM arena. So this is basically the leaderboard for all the LMs that's available today. So you can see Gemini 2.5-Pro, which was just released, ranked number 1. So it is super powerful. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you do like this video, please subscribe, like, or comment if you have any questions. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and see you in the next one.